Looking to advertise your YouTube video on other platforms and need a quick video teaser? That's what we're talking about today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. Now, when I promote my videos on other social media platforms, I have a quick 5, 10, 20-second teaser clip. The idea is to intrigue you and to invite you into the full video on YouTube or Instagram. And with the help from my friends at Placeit, you can make your very own graphical thumbnails and graphical teasers just like these. Let's go to the computer.
So this is Placeit.net. I've used these before for banners, for thumbnails, for things like that. And today we're going to use teasers. So you go to videos and then you scroll over to content teasers. Now here are a few examples. Now they're very good in many sizes at teasing things or promoting things. So say for example you've got a new video coming or you've got a new product that you wish to do, then you can use these as an example. They're Instagram story templates. You can use them obviously for YouTube because you can put them on Facebook and stuff like that. Now I'm going to use this one here. On the left hand side you'll see the text that goes with it all. Down here you'll see the slides that you're providing. So it will run you through. You can choose all of the text. You can choose the music on the right hand side and you can show the images down here. Some of these are videos, some of these are static images that they zoom in for you. You can obviously upload your own. Now the way it would work is you choose your specific frame. So that's the very first frame here, and then you change your text. You can bump your way through all of them, and you can edit the text accordingly. And what it does is it strings it together like a flip book. But you can overlay your text, you can choose where that text goes, and you can kind of build a timeline for it. Let's say this was a teaser for your latest video or your holiday snaps. You can choose the first slide, and it would be like holiday photos, and you'll see that it's changing the preview for you on the fly. Holiday photos, better photos. I could change this to I eat cheese, for example, and you'll immediately see that it's changing the preview. There you go. Now it will ask if you want to render out the full video, in which I suggest you make your changes first on each one of the slides. You change the text, you change the pictures where you want to. You can see the overlay here, what it includes. So some of these, the effects are the blob over here comes over. I can put say a flower and it will auto change the preview once more. So there you go, the flower. In this case it covers her up, but you can see what I'm doing. And then you can change the color. It will render the preview out for you once again. So you work your way through the slides, or you add your own slides. So down here, let's say I add a slide. I could choose a specific slide template. That slide's now been added to the bottom, or you can duplicate a slide if you like one specifically, or you just want to keep changing the text. And then when you're done, it then suggests preview video. It can either be the single slide that you're previewing or all slides. I'm going to do all slides. And you'll now see that what it does is a mini render. So it goes through the entire video. It renders a mini video for you based on those slides. And that is your teaser. So once it's done processing, I'll show you the full little teaser. But obviously, this could be optimized for whatever you wish. You can upload your own footage. It could be you talking about it. It could be you chatting on a holiday, or it could be you advertising your favorite restaurant, that kind of thing. Now obviously if you want it shorter, you simply remove your slides. If you just want it into a quick clip, then you can do so. If you want to pad it out to a minute, you can do so as well. And then you click download, and when you're ready, download, it will render